In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a calendar on Microsoft Outlook. We'll start right in your web browser. Head to Google, and in the search box, type Outlook. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign into your account so you can access your calendars. Once Outlook opens, switch to the Calendar section. Look for the calendar icon or the calendar label in the sidebar and click it. You should now be looking at your calendar view with your events and dates laid out. At the top of the calendar, open the View menu. From there, choose Calendar Settings to bring up the configuration options that control how your calendar behaves and how you share it. Inside Settings, select Shared Calendars. This is the place where Outlook lets you control who can see your schedule and what level of detail they can view. Find the Publish a Calendar area. Use the drop-down to select the specific calendar you want to publish, either your main calendar or any additional calendar you've created. Next, choose the permission level. You can select Can View when I'm busy, which shows only free and busy blocks without revealing event details, or Can View All Details, which exposes full event information like titles, locations, and descriptions. Pick the option that matches your privacy needs and the audience you're sharing with. When you're ready, click Publish. Outlook will immediately generate two links for you, an HTML link and an ICS link. The HTML link opens a read-only web page that anyone with the link can view in a browser. This is great for quick sharing with people who just need to check your availability. The ICS link is designed for calendar apps. People can import or subscribe to this link in tools like Outlook, Google Calendar, or Apple Calendar, so your events appear on their own calendars and stay updated automatically. A quick tip for choosing links. Use the HTML link for simple one-off viewing, and use the ICS link when you want others to subscribe and always see the latest changes. If you selected the Busy Only option, subscribers will see availability without sensitive details. If you allowed all details, remember that everything on that calendar is visible to anyone with the link. Before you share widely, double-check that you selected the correct calendar and permission level, and confirm your time zone in Outlook so times display as expected. Some work or school accounts may limit publishing, so if you don't see the option, your organization might have it disabled. And that's it. You've opened Outlook, gone to your calendar, used View to reach calendar settings, opened shared calendars, published your calendar, and received both HTML and ICS links to share.